technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Let's now move on and shift our focus to the latest as far as Trump tariffs are concerned. Viewers, the trade tensions between the United States of America and India have taken a dramatic turn, with no sign of de-escalation in sight. Just one day before President Trump's August 27 deadline, United States of America has issued an official notice regarding new tariffs on India. This notice confirms the imposition of an additional 25% tariff on goods from India. Remember, it was just 25% earlier. Then, after 21 days, Trump administration had said that India will have to pay another 25%, making it 50%. And that's going to kick in from 27th of this particular month. The notice has already been issued by the Trump administration just before this deadline. And this clearly has escalated the ongoing tariff war between the two nations. We'll have to wait and see how the Indian government really responds to this. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister of India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has sent a firm message to US President Donald Trump in response to the ongoing tariff dispute between the two nations. Speaking earlier, Prime Minister Modi reaffirmed that the interest of farmers and small-scale industries are a top priority for the Indian government. Despite growing pressure from the international trade challenges, he stressed that while the government may face increasing pressure, it remains resolute in protecting the welfare of its citizens, particularly small entrepreneurs, farmers and cattle rearers. Prime Minister Modi assured that no harm will come to these sectors, key sectors under his leadership. Now, this statement comes at a critical time, as the United States of America has been pressing India to further open its agriculture market while also imposing a 25% tariff on Indian goods. US has described his tariff as a response to India's continued purchase of Russian oil.
मैं गांधी की धरती पे से बोल रहा हूं। मेरे देश के लघु उद्यमी हो, किसान हो, पशुपालक हो, हर किसी के लिए मैं आपको बार बार वादा करता हूं, मोदी के लिए आपके हित सर्वोपरि है। मेरी सरकार लघु उद्यमियों का, किसानों का, पशुपालकों का कभी भी अहित नहीं होने देंगी। दबाव कितना ही क्यों न आए, हम झेलने की अपनी ताकत बढ़ाते जाएंगे।
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.